are my Rothy shoes, and they're made out of recycled water bottles, which I think is really cool. They're made out of an item that didn't end up in the landfill. I'm using them, and I can put them in the wash machine, which I haven't done yet. I haven't needed to, but whenever they do get dirty, I just get a little washcloth and put a little soap on it, and they clean up so easily. They're stylish. They come in fun colors. I think there's about 3 different styles, and they arrived in the shoebox. So it's not like the shoe box was in another box, which was had a bunch of bubble wrap. No, they came in the shoebox, and I think they were wrapped in a little paper, and that was it. Nothing to throw away. Sometimes when I have these on, people come up to me and say, "Oh, I've got some Rothys also." It's kind of cool. Love my Rothys, and look into them and see if this is the right kind of shoe for you.